What's up guys, Anton here, and I'm here at the OPPO A96 launch, checking out some new features that they're bringing to the A series, and let's see if it is a great phone for your next pick. So the price of the OPPO A96 is 15,999 pesos. Now let us know what you think of that price down below in the comments, and for that price, let's take a look at what we are getting. So now let's first talk about the design, specifically that back panel, because it now features that OPPO glow design that I really loved from the Reno 7 and 7Z, specifically the starry black, because I'm just a sucker for matte black and textured back panels. Napakaganda ng design na to because anti-fingerprint nga naman siya, so hindi mo kailangan mag-alala masyado pagdating sa fingerprints sa back panel ng device na to. At OPPO, marami silang ginawang tests in terms of durability. So they did a lot of drop tests, and they also included in this price range IP5X dust resistance and IPX4 waterproofing. So that's really nice to see sa price range na to. And keep in mind, all plastic build ang phone na to, at least in terms of the back and the side rails. Pero pagdating sa hawak, it is very premium feeling. It's an incredibly slim phone and it is very light. Ngayon naman, pagdating sa screen, I had a really good time in terms of smoothness. No matter what app I'd go in and out of, how many apps I'd go in and out of, it would remain really smooth, and that is thanks to the 90Hz LCD display that we are getting on this phone. Kahit LCD display siya, colors were really nice and vibrant, and I really enjoyed my time watching twice, as I always do. And OPPO did a great job with their adaptive refresh rate. Now, 90Hz nga ang max refresh rate nito, but I didn't notice any stuttering when switching between other apps because the refresh rate does support 30, 60, and 90Hz refresh rates to save on battery life. Speaking of battery life, we are getting a 5,000 mAh cell here, and we're also getting 33 watts of Super VOOC charging. So I can't wait to actually get this home with me and actually test the charging speeds, because with the specs that we are getting here, we have seen really great battery life on other devices. Now I can expect pretty good battery life on this phone because of the very power efficient Snapdragon 680. Now it's no powerhouse of a chip, especially when it comes to pushing graphics on high fidelity games. So I am pretty excited with what OPPO is doing on the software side to push graphics, because they are saying that this is a gaming phone. Now that is accompanied by 8GB of RAM and two variants of internal memory, 128 and 256 gigs of internal storage. Now that is pretty much in the upper end of memory, especially for this price range, so that is really good to see. Now when it comes to photos, I had a pretty good time taking photos of the street here, as well as taking photos of the beautiful bar that we have inside for some low light shots. Now I was pretty impressed with that 50 megapixel main shooter, because especially with the processing speed of the Snapdragon 680, because I didn't really have to wait for the camera to take the shot for a clear and bright image. Now the camera specs again are a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 2 megapixel bokeh, and for the selfie camera we are getting a 16 megapixel shooter. Although the team and I really did wish that we got in an ultra-wide camera alongside the 50 megapixel main shooter, so that we have a more versatile camera setup instead of just the 2 megapixel bokeh. Now the 16 megapixel camera, we did take a few shots and we did notice that it was generally overexposed, pero baka dahil naka-black mask kami at 12 PM at sobrang lakas ng araw ngayon dito sa BGC. So it could be that, so with further testing, we might see further improvements in terms of the 16 megapixel shooter. So that is a quick look at the OPPO A96 launch. I'm actually just a sucker for the design on this device. That OPPO glow design is just my absolute favorite. I can't wait to get my hands on this device to test out what OPPO is doing differently with the Snapdragon 680, especially in terms of pushing graphics. I also can't wait to try multitasking on this device, especially with 11 gigs of total RAM. They're really doing something different with this device in terms of software optimizations. So good job OPPO, and I can't wait to see you guys in their next event.
Hey guys, Tito James here. So this is Anton's first in-person event for Unbox PH. Let me know what you think of how he did in the comment section down below. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell if you have any questions about the OPPO A96. Anton will answer them in the comment section down below as soon as he can. For all the latest tech, head to Unbox.ph. Plus follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. My name is Tito James.
And my name is Anton.
Peace, God bless. See you guys next time. And of course, stay safe.